All four outfits from today's video feature this black Oxford. This is from Frank & Oak's Style Plan. Big thank you to Frank & Oak for sponsoring this video. This first outfit has the black Oxford with a pair of jeans from Rag & Bone, finished with Oliver Cabell's Low One minimalist sneakers. The second outfit is featuring a brown suede moto jacket. Still have the same black Oxford, and then on the bottom I'm bringing it all together with some Italian full grain calfskin leather Chelsea boots from Ace Marks. Outfit number 3, going a little bit more upscale. You can consider this a business casual minimalist look. I have the full zip jacket from Ascot. I have commuter pants from Rhone, and then those same Chelsea boots from Ace Marks. This fourth outfit is a little bit more rugged. We have the Oxford on bottom with a knit sweater from Liverpool Jeans, the chore jacket from Everlane, raw denim from Mott & Bow, and then finished off with the Wolverine 1000 Mile.